Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the last full week of June, the 19th through the 25th, in my social media planner. And as you can tell, we are using items from SimplySweetlyCrafty, and the theme of this spread is going to be Sleepy Owl, which is this kit here. And I actually got this specifically in a la carte options. So in her shop, she has option to choose a la carte options instead of the entire kit. So I chose the full boxes and then the half and quarter boxes for this because I knew I kind of wanted to use it for social media, and these are the items that I really use when I do social media spreads. So that's what I went with. And then of course we have some social media scripts here. So we have the tiny icons, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, because that is what I like to track on my social media spreads. And then most of the time I post to Facebook for different things with Simply Sweetly Crafty. I pulled the Caroline Facebook icons because I really think these are cute. She does have them in Instagram and YouTube and a couple of other social media items, but I specifically wanted to use Facebook for this one. And then I have some other fun little items over here that I'm going to pull here and there for scripts and things. I don't have a film and edit script, so I'm probably just going to leave that blank and probably just use an icon from one of her previous kits that I have left over. That's probably what I'm going to do for that. And then I have some washi here that matches the Sleepy Owl kit. So I have this grid pink washi and then these two thin plain washies as well. And if you guys want to save yourself 15% off of your order, you can use my code Megan15 and save 15% off, and you will receive my adorable freebie. This is what my freebie looks like. I absolutely love it. It is super cute. So now that we have all the explanation out of the way, we are going to go ahead and get started. And before I move into the spread, I just wanted to let you guys know, I know the lighting is going to be a little weird right now. We are in the middle of a giant thunderstorm, but today was the only day I was able to film, or to set aside time to film, so that is what we're dealing with. So I'm so sorry if the lighting is kind of like in and out in a different way. I'm going to try and fix it in the editing process, but I just wanted you guys to know. Alrighty, so I decided that the only thing I'm not going to be using besides the washi that's Simply Sweetly Crafty is going to be these habit trackers, and this is actually from the Jolly Factory, and she sent me these when I was an affiliate for her, and I think I'm going to use these for my Instagram pods and just cut off the habit tracker word because I think that will be easier for me to use. So I just wanted you to know that. And then I also pulled some date covers. These are like the pastel date covers because the colors go really, really well with the kit. So that's what I'm going to do with those. But we're going to start with this side, and I think I kind of want to use this pink and line the spine. So I think we're going to do that first. It's not even thundering out, and it's just so gloomy. It's like the perfect day to do absolutely nothing, and that is what I plan on doing after I'm done filming. I'm going to play in my planners all afternoon and do nothing, and it's going to be so nice. Simply Sweetly Crafty does have habit trackers, but I use them quite often in a lot of other things, so I actually don't have any left over, which is why I'm using the habit trackers from the Jolly Factory this week. But usually I would use the same kind of items that's from the same shop. Okay, so let's see. I want to have my filming and editing list, so I think I'm probably going to stick with the pink and purple. So we will line the top with blue. I ran out of my whiteout correction tape, so I had to resort to using the correction pen, and it's not my favorite. I think we're gonna do purple. Oh, or we could do these little characters Let's do that. Okay, so this is going to be my filming list. And I said I wanted to do pink for the other. And this will be edit. Oh, I did that a little too long. Gotta fix it. Yeah, that's good. There we go. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add this now. So let me... There we go. And I think what we're going to do is take one of these. Let's do the trees. There we go. And I need a title, so we will probably go ahead and use this blue. There we go. And I realized I do need the Caroline Instagram girl, because she is going to be my title for the Instagram pods. And then down here, let's see, I think we're going to do the purple. And this is where I'm going to put, I'm going to do something a little different this week. And I'm going to put a box down here for maybe a couple of boxes for tracking my Facebook. If this will come off. And then let's do the purple. Oh, or the blue. We'll do the blue. Okay, so let's do maybe one more box. We'll go ahead and do this purple one. Might as well. But yeah, I'll just put it down here. Okay, and then actually I just realized I want this to be moved over. The good thing about SimplySweetlyCrafty stickers is they are pretty easy to lift up. Like, you can move them around pretty easily with no issues. I want the line to go over here. And then we'll put the title here with my Caroline Facebook icon, because that's where I want this to go. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna put one of these bird girls up here. I'm thinking of the blue one. What if we did the blue with this pink? Oh, I've already got pink here. I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, but I could do, hold on. I could do these guys instead. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's really, really cute. Oh, I like that. That's really adorable. I love these colors together too. Oh my gosh, it just lightninged really intensely out there. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry if you guys hear thunder coming up. Many apologies. Okay, now we have to figure out what color we want to use. And I'm kind of leaning more towards this pink or the blue because I don't want to use too much purple. And I feel like this purple is just slightly off from the colors of the kit. The blue is pretty spot on, and so is the pink. So I think I might use the blue. So, oh gosh, oh there it is. Okay, so let's use the blue for this. And we'll probably use the numbers here too, since they're already here. Pretty nice. I actually love that. So I think because this, the full boxes sheet comes with this little strip of washi here. And what I was going to do was use this pink washi and cover the top, but I don't want it to be the same color. So we're going to do the blue up here first. And the gray is probably okay to keep in this one, but I do like to cover it up because I'm a weirdo. And, yeah, that's pretty much the only reason why I like to cover it up is just because, I don't know, I don't like it. Ooh, I actually really love this. That's really cute. That is adorable. Need my X-Acto knife for this. So she just had a sale. Did you guys pick anything up? If you did, what did you get? I want to know. I will be picking stuff up, just did not get any during the sale, but I will be getting more things. So you guys be on the lookout for some hauls because I share a lot of my hauls on Instagram. So if you are not following me there, you should, because like I said, I share a lot of different hauls of things that I buy because I can't help myself. I had to put myself on a no spend this month because I need to use what I have first. So that is why I didn't get anything this time, but I will because I love her shop way too much. It is like so dark outside. Okay, so I think we're gonna use this Caroline. I use this Caroline all the time because she is a photographer. She's taking a photo and I'm a photographer at my job. So that is why I do this. I use her little icon all the time. And then I also pulled this from one of the kits that I had. It's just the little title that goes like across the top of all these, but it was from a leftover kit and I knew I probably would want to use it in this kit. So this is my SimplySweetlyCrafty little, what is it called? Tracking specifically for her, and then if I put anything that's not like SimplySweetlyCrafty related, that goes here, which is why I did the boxes. So speaking of boxes, let's go ahead and add some deco and decorative elements and lots of fun things because I think we're to the point where I'm just gonna start randomly laying stuff down and see how it goes. Alright everyone, that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my social media planner using the Sleepy Owl kit and social media icons from SimplySweetlyCrafty. This is such a cute spread. I really love the colors. This color scheme is definitely my aesthetic and I really love how it looks. I think it's super adorable. So if you guys are interested in saving some money on SimplySweetlyCrafty, don't forget to use my code. It will be in the description box along with all of SimplySweetlyCrafty's information. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the description box for my different playlists. I craft with polymer clay, art prompt journal books, planners, lots of other kinds of crafting material. So if you're interested in checking out what I craft with, they will be in different playlists down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!